Do you want to set nickname in Instagram chat? You can add your nickname on Instagram chat for your friends with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to set nickname in Instagram chat. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To set your nickname for someone in the Instagram chat, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon in the top right corner of the home screen to access your messages. Now, find and open the individual or group chat in which you want to set the nickname. You are now on the chat conversation screen. At the top of the chat screen, tap on your friend's name or the group name to open the settings. In the new screen, you'll see different options below your friend's name and profile picture. Now, find and tap on nicknames in this profile settings screen. A new screen will appear. Tap on your name here. Now, a pop-up will appear where you can set your nickname for that specific person. Type the nickname you want to assign to the person. Once you've entered the desired nickname, tap Done to save the changes. The nickname you set will be visible only to you and your friend in that conversation.